Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. As you can see, we got some AFE cold air intake filters in front of me. We have 4 different ones. Some are oiled, some aren't oiled, they're dry filters. Well, with all these options, we're gonna help guide you to determine which one of these filters is best for your application and go over some of the benefits of each one of these filters. Let's dive into it. First and foremost, every single one of the filters, no matter which you decide to go with, is constructed of a strong polyurethane and has the flange that is a flexible polyurethane. So no matter what route you go or which one you pick, you're gonna get a nice tight seal on that cold air intake. Starting off, we're looking at the Pro 5R filter on my right, your left. This Pro 5R filter is 5 layers of oiled cotton. This particular filter is going to be best for you daily driver guys out there. So if you're in the city streets, you don't do hardly any off-roading at all, you're just kind of got a daily driver, you want to increase a little bit of that performance, this is going to be a great option for you. It is oiled and ready to drop in. On to the next one here, we have the Pro Dry S, and this filter is for you weekend warrior guys out there where the main use of your truck is mainly going to be driving to work and back, staying within those city limits. Not a lot of off-roading, but on the weekends you might like to go down that dirt road or get up into those mountains, do some camping. The Pro Dry S is exactly what you need. Gives you a little bit of added coverage for those dusty environments. It is a 3-layer dry synthetic filter. So it is dry filter, not oiled. That is the Pro Dry S. Next up, we have this blue guy here, which is what AFE calls their Pro 10R filter. Now this is going to be the best of the best when it comes for you turbo diesel guys out there that want absolute maximum when it comes to airflow and performance. It is a 10-layer oiled cotton gauze filter that is great for every application, whether you're trying to build performance in your truck and you want to increase that airflow, or you're the kind of guy that just likes to use his truck in every single environment out there. The Pro 10R is the one for you. Lastly, over here on my left, your right, we have the Pro Guard 7, well-known filter. This is going to be for the person that's building a truck specifically for the off-road atmosphere. It is the best of the best when it comes to dusty and dirty environments. It's got 7 layers of an oil hybrid material, so it's going to give you the absolute most when it comes to protection from those dusty and dirty environments. So hopefully this video helped you guys out better understand the AFE filters a little bit more so you can make sure that you get the right filter for your needs in your truck. While all of these do fit turbo diesel applications, there are different benefits behind each one of these filters based on your driving needs. So if you want to check one out or you have questions on it, you can click the link in the bio, or as always, you can come check us out at dieselpowerproducts.com.